The 25th of September. Come on, let's pick. You can do this too. Hi, welcome to my garden. You got here just in time. We're going to do a little picking. With the rain we've had, looks like the corn's getting a little rust on it. And what we picked the other day was good and ripe. So we're going to just go ahead and take all these ears off, cut this down, make room for this other corn. And remember, in the deep mulch garden, we just cut and drop. Becomes part of the mulch. Something cool, we even got mini corn. We got really nice ears. Just look how nice that corn is. You can do this too. And just that fast, we've got a harvest of corn. And the next batch is tasseling out. Since that only took a few minutes, let's see if there's any carrots that we want to bring in. Well, there's a couple baby ones. See, when you don't thin them out, you get the little ones along with the better ones. Those aren't too bad. One of our strategies is to succession plant, but we let the volunteers come up wherever they want to. It's sort of flower wherever you've rooted. Nobody ever talks about how sweet green beans are when they're coming right off the plant. That's what I'm talking about. This thing flowered where it rooted. And you know what? It's got some qualities that I couldn't have got anywhere else. It's kind of like us. Wherever we are in the world, we all have some talents. You know, wherever you're rooted, go ahead and flower. Have a positive effect on your area. Make everything sweeter. Well, we're out here picking a few things. Get a couple red radishes to go along with the carrots and the corn. If you've never planted anything, I suggest you plant radishes. For one, they come up so well and so fast, no matter what, you're going to feel like you're a gardener. And they mature really quickly, and they're very tasty. Well, I want to thank you for stopping by the garden and helping me get some corn, some carrots, some radishes pulled. Remember, you can do this too. And we're not done planting. We're going to plant a few things in October. We're going to set up and we're going to plant some winter crops. I hope you join me for that. And if you want to learn more about the deep mulch garden, click that link and I'll meet you back here. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link and I'll meet you right back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.